Jollibee for me, kung kakain ako sa Jollibee or kung kumakain ako sa Jollibee ngayon, burger steak na maliit na rin. Burger steak, mushroom pepper beef, yung seasonal. I
Yeah.
think they should just put that back.
Oo.
Sarap. Though yung latest time na nilagay nila sa menu yung mushroom pepper beef, maalat siya dun sa branch na nakainan ko.
Saan yun?
Pangasinan kasi bumiyahe ako nun.
Okay.
Tapos kumain muna ako bago umuwi. Oh, ayun. And then, ano pa ba? Palabok. Masarap yung palabok nila.
I don't know.
And
Kasi allergic ako.
marami sila mag-serve ng palabok.
Pati yung sauce na ito minsan is drowning.
Yeah. Masarap yung palabok nila. And ano pa ba? Sundae. Masarap ang sundae nila.
Oo.
Milky kasi. Milky. I like their sundae. Parang kung bibili ako ng sundae in any of these fast food,
Sa Jollibee ka bibili.
Jollibee ako bibili. Yung classic choco sundae nila.
Yeah. To me, I think at the very least, Jollibee should be good. Kasi it's like the cornerstone of fast food chains in the Philippines.
Tsaka dagdag mo pa yung tuna pie nila,
Bet ko yun.
yung peach mango pie.
Yeah.
Masarap naman. Jollibee is still good, but not as good as before.
Pero for what it is now, I think we can put
It's still
it.
really good.
Yes, we can put it in
It's
really
still
good.
really good, yeah.
Ito na. McDo.
muna.
I'm very biased with McDo.
Siya muna.
Nagkilala? Magkakilala na tayo. Friends na tayo. But, I think,
we've always bonded through McDo.
McDo holds so much meaning for us. Diba, parang first dates, first whatever, in McDo.
McDo,
Milestones.
kunin niyo na kami kasi
Milestones always McDo. I'm
first
sad.
date namin, tumatakas pa kami nun.
McDo.
From all the people na...
And then we're always in McDo.
Up until now, we're always in McDo. Disappointing lang yung ibang branch.
I know.
Conception branch.
So bad.
Fucking hell, bakit ganun?
Pangit din sa
Pero feeling ko kasi, yung mga branch na yun, it's service eh. Yung service nung McDo and those branches, yung pangit.
Not because of the food.
Not because of the food.
So, I think...
Pero ang gusto ko sa McDo ay yung chicken nila.
Bet ko sa McDo yung fries. And yung chicken nuggets.
Yeah, chicken fries, nuggets, ano pa ba? I don't like their spaghetti.
I like their spaghetti. I like their burgers. Okay. I like their burgers. But mas bet ko yung crispy chicken sandwich na.
Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa burgers. So, I mean, kung bibigyan mo ako ng McDo burger, I still eat it. But,
yeah.
Parang that's one thing na. I never actually ordered a McDo burger for
Always
myself.
Always chicken.
And ano pa ba yung order ko sa McDo?
For me, kasi walang tapon ng McDo eh.
Tsaka yung chicken fillet, when I'm on a budget. Or pag nag-crave ako.
Diba, walang tapon McDo for us.
Alaking. Even their, mushroom pepper steak.
Oh, masarap din.
Masarap. Yan, yung mga pinsan ko, pag movie akong Pangasinan.
Naalala ko before, nung bata ako, Jollibee's for the masses daw. Pag may pera-pera kayo konti, McDo.
Totoo naman, medyo mas mahal ang McDo.
Ngayon naman, pero ngayon medyo same na.
Same sila ngayon. Neck to neck na.
And,
ano pa ba? About McDo.
It's nostalgic for me.
Happy Meals.
Doon talo Jollibee.
Doon talo ang Jollibee, definitely. Kasi before, sa province, kapag nagbabakasyon ako before doon. Tapos, syempre, di ba, McDo releases these parang...
Mga limited edition toys, collectibles.
Collectibles siya kasi nag-expire yung parang out of date.
Nalala ko yung Crocs.
So, wala, hindi ako nakakuha nun. Anyway, the earliest one ata na natatandaan ko ay Tom and Jerry.
Ako ba?
Tom and Jerry, years before.
Hindi man naalala ko Spider-Man, pero I don't think that was McDo.
Years before pa. Tapos, ginagawa namin kasi marami kami pinsan eh. So, like, binibili naming Happy Meal, isa lang, dalawa
Dalawa
lang.
lang.
Share kami, ganyan. Tapos we won't actually eat the food. Yung food nun, hati kami nung paying adult. Tsaka kami, kasi syempre, kids eh.
Mm.
So, I remember McDo with chicken and their Happy Meals. As in yung toys that
Yeah, yung
come in
toys.
boxes.
Ang
Until
ano,
now, nagko-collect ako. Hindi ko lang nakakompleto kasi, well,
ano eh, people hoard it. Imagine.
mahirap
How-
kumuha.
How
Ang hirap
des-
kumuha ng stock.
Guys, how desperate are you? Imagine, ang tawag doon, may tawag doon eh. May tawag doon. Scalpers. Imagine, you're scalping collectibles from McDo. How bad can you be?
Pinaka-disappointed ako na hindi ko na-collect lahat. Ay,
Yung Adopt Me?
no.
Which one?
The fuck is Squishmallows?
The Squishmallows. But yeah.
Cute. Binalik nila yung Squishmallow selection nila recently, di ba?
Mm.
Parang November last year.
Yeah.
Tapos parang 1 week lang. Wala na. Anyway. Ayun.
Ang best mo ubos eh.
Ang hirap kumuha ng stock.
Grabe
So,
yung
parang
hype.
kahit ano, ayun. Kaya sobrang, pa rin. Feeling ko that's Happy Meal is one of their best offers.
Oo.
McDo. Kasi, parang people are still hooked kapag may bago sa Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Imagine yung Adopt Me last time.
Ano?
Well, muntik ko na makolek lahat yan. Cute kasi.
So, I think
McDo is great.
McDo is great. It's like, sorry guys, this is our list. Wala kayong magagawa.
McDo is great.
Okay. That settles it. McDo versus Jollibee. If you guys are interested, it's always McDo for us.
Yes, always McDo first. Siguro mag-Jollibee lang kami pag may something kaming kinikrave.